In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp chat to WordPress website. If you want visitors to reach you quickly without filling out forms or waiting for emails, adding a WhatsApp chat option is a simple, effective upgrade. We'll walk through the process using the WordPress block editor so you can place a WhatsApp chat element exactly where it makes the most sense on your site and present it in a way that matches your branding. First, head to your WordPress dashboard and open the editor for the page or template where you want the chat to appear. This could be your homepage, a contact page, or a reusable area like a header or footer. The key here is to open the visual editor so you can see your layout and place the chat element in context. Give the page a moment to load the editor interface. Next, open the block inserter. This is the plus icon you'll find in the top toolbar or in line. When you hover between sections on the page, the block inserter is your library of elements, everything from paragraphs and buttons to embeds and specialized features, so it's the fastest way to find exactly what you need without digging through menus. In the block search bar, type WhatsApp. You should see one or more options specifically related to WhatsApp chat or a WhatsApp button. Take a second to read the short descriptions or hover previews so you pick the element designed for direct messaging rather than a generic social icon. Selecting the appropriate block here ensures visitors can start a conversation in one click, instead of just being sent to a profile or an unrelated page. Now add it to your page. Click the WhatsApp block from the inserter, and it will drop into the section you're editing. If you need to reposition it, simply drag it to a more prominent spot, or use the move handles to nudge it above or below other blocks. Think about visibility and convenience. Placing it near a contact section, pricing information, or at the bottom corner of a layout often works best. Most WhatsApp chat blocks include simple style controls, so you can adjust things like the icon style, label text, colors, and the initial greeting that appears to visitors. Make sure the design contrasts enough to be noticed, but not so bold that it distracts from your main content. That's it. Once in place, your visitors can launch a chat instantly. On mobile, it typically opens their WhatsApp app. On desktop, it usually opens WhatsApp web. Keep it easy to spot and you'll reduce friction while improving response times.